Hi, folks. I'm Mark Johnson with Artisan Restoration, and today we are working on the Sophist project. That's the one that's named after my grandfather. And anyway, um, we've we've gotten up about 6 courses here, and I kind of um, had a little epiphany um, looking at these logs. You can see that one there has got a lot of little holes in it. That's from powder post beetles. And there's a you can put a boron solution on here that will kill them if they eat it. But if they go in and out through the same little hole that they've been using, that may be ineffective. Plus, the idea of just spraying it on the surface of all these logs um, is kind of like um, an analogy that I heard on the Tonight Show a long time ago when Johnny Carson said to Ed McMahon, "That's a little like giving a tic tac to a whale, isn't it?" I agree. So today we're using something different. It turns out that heat also will kill the little buggers, and we're treating the rest of my logs with heat. Um, and I've got a 75,000 BTU heater on this end. I've got 2 fans in the middle over here, and then I've got another 80,000 BTU heater down on this end. That's shut down right now because we're running it off a generator, and makes it a little hard to hear what I'm talking about. But over here, well, let me fill you in on the rest of the deal. If we heat them to 140 degrees for about 12 hours, we'll kill them, okay? And over here, we've got this little thermometer that I stole from my wife, which probably uses on turkeys and hams and things like that. And we're almost at the 140 degree mark. And over here, on this fancy Chinese thermometer we got here, it tells me I got 21 degrees, which is totally wrong because it's hotter than blazes inside there. So I don't know how. Well, we're not going to trust this thing, that's for sure. But we've drilled into the log so that we get down into the center of the logs, and that should give us a pretty accurate reading. In order to keep the heat in here, we've underneath this plastic we've got insulated concrete blankets, 2 or 3 of them on here to hold in the heat, and down inside I've got a little sheetrock and some sheet metal around the heater here so we don't start the thing on fire if this thing goes up in flames. I'll need treatment next week, I'll tell you that. But anyhow, it seems to be working really good. We got actually 2 layers of poly on some of it, so I'm sure that we're not getting a real uniform temperature from one end to the other, top to bottom, but it's getting up there. So hopefully we can get everything heated up enough so we don't have to go through this for one more night, because we've been running it since about 9 o'clock last night, and we've burnt up $120 worth of kerosene and gasoline on the generator. So that, and I've lost a lot of sleep worrying about it. So anyway, hopefully it does the job. Oh, that's our crane back there in the background with a little homemade attachment on the end of it to reach 50 feet, which is what we need to try to set all the logs on this section of the building. We'll have to move when we do the other part. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll see if we still got a pile of logs here tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for watching.